Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your factory core support mount bolt and bushing, followed by cutting away the bracket. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. If there is a silhouette of the original bracket, using a marker, mark off the install location to help with alignment during installation. Alternatively, you can use the bushing and bolt to install the bracket in its proper location. Align the bracket and tack weld the part to the frame, followed by completely welding the part to the frame. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer to help prevent against rust development. Reinstall the bolt and bushing, and you're done.